everyone and welcome back to my weekly vlog. Today I'm sat in the British consulate in Ibiza trying to get a passport to go home. Fun times. So, we got our passports, which was good. Well, however, Miranda didn't get hers. So basically, everyone else is flying home tonight. They're going back to Gatwick and Stansted. But Miranda has got a Swedish passport. And we've actually had to fly to Majorca. So we got this little tiny weird plane. And yeah, we've just landed, just got to our hotel. We booked the Brondo Architect Hotel, which looked pretty cool in the pictures. And it's even cooler in real life. Look at the room. This is the room, which is so cool. And then this is the bathroom, which I just broke the shower, but we fixed it. Love that mirror. So we booked a pretty central hotel by all the shops and everything, and weirdly I've been here before with my sister, so I know my way around a little bit. And yeah, we're staying here for the night, and Miranda's got an appointment tomorrow at the Swedish Embassy to get her emergency passport, and then we can finally go home tomorrow. So yeah, her appointment is at 10, and then hopefully she'll be done in half an hour, and then we can explore for a little bit tomorrow. But yeah, so I think I'm so hot. Is there aircon in here? Yeah. I think we're just gonna freshen up quickly and go shopping, because we may as well make the most of it, seeing as we're here for one night and half a day. This looks insanely delicious. So we are back in our hotel room now. We had some dinner and strolled around the shops. I actually bought a really cute swimsuit from Zara, which is this one here. It's like a backless one piece. And then this really cute one from H&M, which was like 15 euros, like hot pink with bottoms, high-waisted. So I've got those for the honeymoon. But yeah, now we're just gonna sleep, and it's a new day tomorrow, and sort Miranda's passport out tomorrow, and fingers crossed we can go. Yeah, good morning guys. So it is now Tuesday, and we are up early. My voice is still not right. And we are on our way to the Swedish consulate in Majorca to get Miranda's passport. She's behind me. We've just bought this ridiculous, what is it? It's a cream croissant thing. It's insane. So we have good news. Miranda's got her passport. Woo! So we can go home. But our flight's not till 5, so we are walking around Palma, and we're going to do a spot of sightseeing. And we've actually come to the really cool cathedral to have a little look. And it is like insanely huge. My camera just keeps going up and up and up. It looks so cool though. It's very busy here, but we can see the sea. The sun is shining. Things are looking up. And this looks insane. Such a cool view. Definitely making the most of it whilst we're here. So this is happening. We're in Majorca for one day as being tourists. Your chin's the smallest bit. Weirdly does sort of look like you in a weird way. Oh, you've got lovely long lashes. Yeah.
You don't think we'll record and take pictures of my work? Yeah. Everybody does that.
Okay.
Right. Have a look at this line because it's
Guys, I'm home. Finally home. Me and Miranda actually had a cute day in Majorca. Had some lunch after we got our caricature picture done, and then we just headed back to the hotel, checked out, went to the airport. But yeah, en route, you will literally not believe what happened. I basically got a missed call from the villa manager in Ibiza, and I was like, that's weird, maybe she's just checking that Miranda got her Swedish passport okay. Anyway, I messaged her back and she said, yeah, it's all good. Then she phoned me, and I was like, hey, I was like, oh, Miranda got a passport, fine. She's like, so I've got some news. And I was like, oh, okay. She's like, they found your passports. I was like, what? She said they found all 8 passports that were missing. They found some bank cards from one of your girls, some like other bits and bobs. It's all dumped down the road. And I was like, you are literally kidding me. I was like, I couldn't believe it. I was like, this is literally ridiculous. We all cancelled our parcels. We all got new passports. We all flew home different days. We had to fly to Majorca, and our passports were sitting down the road from the villa in a bush on the side of the road, I don't know where, and the police found them today. So it's just typical, honestly typical. Thing is though, it's like, you know, they might never have found them, and even if we looked, like, I did look, to be fair, I did look on around the villa. I looked in the garden, I looked in a lot of places, and I couldn't see them. And every time we drove up and down the dirt track to get to the villa, I had a little look at the side. But I mean, you don't know, it could have been like literally in the middle of the side of the cliff the police found them. The police obviously carried on investigating the villa robbery because, yeah, it was a bit unheard of that people rob a villa when there's people inside of it. It's very rare that happens. It's usually when everybody is out, and I think it was a bit of a professional gang, so I think that's why they sort of looked into it, because they had a lot of equipment on them and stuff. But yeah, like, just honestly ridiculous that they found it. And like, the girls cancelled their debit cards, and yeah. But the positive out of this situation is that at least we all know that our passports are safe. Even though we can't use them anymore, at least they haven't been sold on. They're not going to be cloned. Our identity's not going to be cloned. You know, so the lady, bless her, she's sending them all to me. I'm going to get everyone's bank cards and everything so they can cut them up. And yeah, Alice gets her Nando's card and her Costa points back. And that's about it. But yeah, it's just ridiculous. You have to laugh. You literally have to laugh. And when we landed tonight, it was so cloudy, and we literally like came out of the clouds and then landed within 5 seconds. It was so foggy. And when we arrived, Robin's dad picked us up, and he basically was like, 12 Ryanair flights have been cancelled coming into Stansted that evening. So we were so lucky we landed. So a little bit of luck. But yeah, I'm going to go to bed now. Got to be up early tomorrow. I have 7 days. Oh my lord. Hello, gorgeous. Hi. Oh, look at you, Louise. I've actually got makeup on today. I had to go get my passport picture earlier and my application, which, shoot, I need to fill out still. I'm a tramp. I'm still in my travel outfit for my BFirst. So gross. But yeah, my suitcase is still lost, but that's not even an excuse, because I've got a whole wardrobe of clothes upstairs. I just can't be bothered. And I just shoved the first thing I could find on the floor on today, because I have had so much to do, been finishing off my work. I've still got so much to do tonight. I had to go to town and yeah, sort some bits out, get passport pictures taken, get the application forms, and I've been, yeah, just trying to finish off blog work today, just so then the next, you know, well, it's 10 days to the wedding now, but really I've only got about 7, 8 days. So yeah, I'm just trying to get more work done today, so then the next, you know, few days can just be all wedding stuff and wedding mode. Shadow, you gotta leave mummy alone. You have to go to bed. Come on, good boy.
In your bed.
He's like, no, please, I want to sit on mummy's lap.
In your bed.
Yeah, just need to finish my work and just focus on the wedding, which is good. So I haven't got any other work after I finish these bits and bobs today, which is super good. I'm gonna go to Robin's dad's now because my sister's getting her bridesmaid dress fitted. So that's all good. And then when I get back, I'm gonna do the table plan and get that finalised, figure out the guest list, finalise that, and then smash my wedding emails. I've got a lot that I couldn't reply to last week and a few payments to do. So yeah, that is what I'm going to be doing this evening. Don't think I'm going to be able to sit down and watch telly, but yeah. Also, this voice needs to come back soon. The bridesmaid dresses are looking so good. So thank you to Miranda for fitting them. And they fit the girls really, really well. And yeah, cannot wait for you guys to see. I am currently on the computer sorting out the table plan. I've rejigged a few people around. I'm trying to kind of like finalise it now, get the design all done, and then next week I'm going to print it last minute in case we have any more dropouts. Robin's gone to McDonald's. I'm having another McDonald's. I had a McDonald's last night for dinner. I'm having another McDonald's. He never ever goes food shopping or shopping for anything whilst I'm away. So annoying. He's already like, we're out of loo roll, we're out of bin lines. I'm like, well, why didn't you go and get them before I came home? I didn't know we were out until now. I'm like, seriously. So yeah, but he's going to buy some McDonald's. He's not treating me though, although he did treat me to lunch earlier. But yeah. Oh, this table plan is taking so long. God, I'm so tired. Went to bed really late last night. Stayed up till about midnight doing wedding admin and work, and then watched Britain's Got Talent, and then went to bed. But I woke up so early today to get some bits done this morning because we're going to IKEA, and it's pretty much going to take the whole day really. We're going to leave in about 20 minutes to head to Robin's mum's to meet her, and we're taking a few people with us, a few cars, because we're going to get all of the cactuses and succulents for the wedding, and obviously have some meatballs. So yes, we're going to go there, get all that, and we just need to try and be back for about 5 or 6 to miss that London traffic. But yeah, so that is what we are doing today. Hello, IKEA. Whoop. £1,000 worth of IKEA plants. It's just ridiculous. All this stuff. Yeah, we're one trolley down actually. Robin's got that. Here he comes. Grumpy, needs a drink. With the other trolley. Evening. So I forgot to vlog the rest of the day. I've just been so tired. We loaded up the car and then we had a little bit of space left, so we went back in and got a couple more trays of plants and 2 bigger cactuses. Yeah, successful trip to IKEA, but it literally took all day. I didn't get back till about 5 or 6, and I slept in the car on the way home because I've been so tired. So Robin was like, it's fine, just sleep and he'll drive, which was good. Yeah, then I got back and I had to sort my passport out. I've got an appointment tomorrow to get a new passport, so I had to sort the form out and everything and fill it in. And then went to Aldi food shopping, pretty boring. And then I've just been sorting out some bits for the wedding, and also so exciting. So if you didn't know, I actually took a videographer out to Ibiza with me to film my hen party, and he sent me the footage tonight. It's Danny from DCP Drones. I'll pop a link below, check him out. Honestly, the video is unreal. I'm so pleased. The video is actually already up, so I'll pop a link below if you want to see it. Let me know what you think. It made me smile when I was watching it. It made me laugh. It made me a bit emotional, and it was just something amazing to get after all the stress of the cancelled flights, the robbery of the villa. You know, after everything, it just kind of re-emphasised the fact that we did have an amazing time, and everyone was smiling throughout the whole video and laughing, and it's amazing, and I love it, and I love what Danny's done, and it's so nice that I get to keep that now. And he's also going to send me some bits of raw footage as well, because there's a few funny bits there and naughty bits that he didn't put in, but I just want to keep them for myself. But yeah, check that out. For now though, I'm going to go to bed because I'm super tired. I've also got my dress fitting tomorrow. That I missed on Tuesday because obviously I was in Majorca, but thank God the woman is coming to London tomorrow, especially to see me, so I can try my dress on. And yeah, fingers crossed it fits and I can take it home with me, but we shall see. Morning guys, so I'm off to London this morning. Gonna go sort my passport out and then try my wedding dress on. So this is my second fitting now, and fingers crossed it fits and I don't have to have any more. Oh, hey guys, so it's Saturday and I have a vlog day, woo! I've been so freaking busy today. I've not stopped until now. We got up early, we went to Sainsbury's to get a few bits on my wedding shopping list. Got some food, then we went to Argos to pick up a swimming pool because I'm DIYing a ball pit at the wedding. Then we went, where did we go after that?
What, after Argos?
Oh, then we went to Waitrose because we tried to hire glasses, and I got told that you can hire glasses from Sainsbury's. You pay 20 quid like deposit, and then you pay £1 a breakage when you return them. But basically Sainsbury's don't do that anymore, and neither does Tesco. So we went to Waitrose, and Waitrose do glasses to hire. However, they only own, what ones they had? They had everything apart from champagne flutes. So we're gonna order champagne flutes off IKEA because it's only 100 quid for the amount that we need. So we're just gonna do that because, yeah, nowhere else basically does glass hire that we can find. Majestic Wines does, but you have to buy alcohol from them. We've already bought all the alcohol from Tesco. So yeah, a bit of a nightmare, but we've got most of the glasses, which is good. And then we went to the storage unit, and I actually hired another storage unit because my first one is full. It's the size of a single garage, and also I needed to sort through all the wedding stuff. So we hired another storage unit, and then literally we've just moved all the wedding stuff out of the first one into the new one. And I went round and kind of just went through everything that we've got, wrote it all down. And yeah, like, it's getting me excited now because I've seen all the stuff that we've got, and everything looks really colourful and like on point. Everything is exactly, I think, how I sort of envisioned it. I've got some really good bits and bobs for decor and things. So yeah, really excited to get kind of decorating on Friday. The wedding is a week today, which is scary but exciting at the same time. Also got my Sophie Hannah Beauty jewels because I'm having a glitter station at the wedding. Yeah, and I've got a spare 2 hours, so instead of sitting here chilling and it's sunny outside, I'm going to spray paint my donut wall. So let's go do that. So we're just measuring out where to put the little dowel rods in the pegboard. One pegboard done. Well, not painted yet, but nearly done. One goes to the pink. Not sure if you can see, but this one is finished. All finished and ready for donuts. Hey guys, so it's now Sunday and we are DIYing again for the wedding. We've got these wooden crates from IKEA. I think they were like £6 for the small ones and £10 for the bigger ones. Probably just building them now. And yeah, I'm spray painting some of them gold, some of them pink, and some of them blue. So this is the lineup. Looking good. The chandelier is slowly taking form. Right, there's extra string on them so you can tie them on. Alright. This is what we made earlier. It's looking good.
That's picking. Yeah, finger licking.
Oh, so I'm home and I'm gonna jump into bed. Quite tired, had a long day today making my face. I need to clean. Just feel dirty and grubby from today. Been making so much wedding stuff, but it's looking really good. I'm really pleased with it. We've literally got like less than 7 days away now, which is pretty scary. But yeah, next week's vlog will be a lot more details up to the actual day. And yeah, I probably won't vlog the wedding, really. I'll try and do my best to vlog next week, but I'm going to be so busy. And I'll do bits and bobs here and there, and probably talk to you about like how I feel before and after. And yeah, thanks so much for watching this week's vlog, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace out.